Hola clase. Happy Monday. We are back. All right. Your warm-up is escribe dos frases en español en el presente. Usa vocabulario del capítulo 8 y escribe dos más frases en español en el pretérito y también usa el vocabulario del capítulo 8. All right, so those 4 sentences, that's your warm-up. Look, apuntes nuevos. I knew you were excited about this. New notes. Yay! So make sure you download the guided note sheet from the documents page of my blog. We are going to go over stem changers in the preterite. Stem changers are cambios radicales. We're doing those in the preterite. So stop the video, pull that up, and get ready to add into it. All right, here I'm going to continue. Here we go. All right, so AR and ER verbs that stem change in present tense do not stem change in the preterite tense. So yay, that's a great thing about the preterite for us. Excuse me. Now, IR verbs, however, that stem change in the present tense do have a stem change in the preterite tense. So we're going to get to those today. All right, I've already given you 2. Servir, remember, is to serve. It is an E to I stem changer in the present tense. It is also a stem changer in the preterite tense because it is an IR verb that also stem change in present. Okay, I've already filled this in for you on your note sheet. You got servi using the preterite ending. Serviste, sirvió, servimos, servisteis, and sirvieron. And I also gave you the verb dormir, which is to sleep. Did it in preterite again for you. Dormi, dormiste, durmió, dormimos, dormisteis, and durmieron. Okay, so look at those. Notice that the stem changing IR verbs only stem change in the él, ella, usted, and the ellos, ellas, ustedes conjugations. Okay, remember servir, here's your conjugations. It happened in él, ella, usted, sirvió, and ellos, ellas, ustedes, sirvieron. Okay? Also, notice that that stem change is only going to be now an E to I or an O to U. So it's only in the bottom 2, in él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, and it's only going to change E to I. Here you've got the E to I in sirvió and sirvieron, or O to U, durmió and durmieron. So if it is an IR verb that stem changes in present tense, it will also stem change in the preterite tense. If it was an E to IE stem changer in present tense, it's going to be an E to I stem change in preterite, and it only happens in él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. If it was an E to I stem changer in present tense, it's still going to be an E to I. It's just only going to happen in él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. And then in present tense, if it's an IR verb and it was an O stem changer, it would have been an O to UE stem changer. Well, now it's only going to be an O to U stem changer, and again, only in él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. The other 4 forms are regular preterites. All right? I'm going to practice this. All right? I'm going to conjugate the following verbs in the preterite tense. Remember, it's only E to I or O to U, and it's only going to happen in él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. Go ahead and pause the video so you can fill that in. All right. So your verb pedir, which is to ask for or to order. Pedí, I ordered or I asked for. Pediste, you ordered. Pidió, here you have the stem change. Same regular ending for an IR preterite. Okay, pedimos, pedisteis, and pidieron. Stem changes in él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes has regular IR endings for the preterite. All right, and we have the verb preferir. Preferir was to prefer. So you're going to stem change that one in preterite. Preferi, no stem change there, regular. Preferiste, no stem change. Prefirió. Here the E to I in él, ella, usted. Okay? Preferimos does not stem change there. Preferisteis does not stem change there. And then prefirieron, here your stem change, E to I, regular IR endings. Right? The verb repetir, to repeat. So I repeated, repetí. You repeated, repetiste. He or she repeated, repitió. E to I, regular IR ending. We repeated, repetimos. Y'all repeated, repetisteis. They or you all repeated, repitieron. Here your E changes to I. Only in the bottom two, ellos, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, E to I. All right, seguir. All right, to continue or to follow. Seguí, regular there. Seguiste, regular there. Siguió, here it changes, E to I. Seguimos, seguisteis, siguieron, E to I in the bottom two. All right, you got the verb morir, and yes, I know it's an interesting verb to have in a food unit, but it is a stem changer in preterite, so that's why it's here. All right, it's O-to-U-E normally in present tense, so what happens in preterite tense? Mori, regular there. Moriste, regular there. Murió, here the O changed to a U. Okay, morimos, moristeis, murieron. O to U in ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. Notice the endings are still regular IR endings. It's just the stem that has changed. All right, conseguir. Conseguí, conseguiste, consiguió, conseguimos, conseguisteis, and consiguieron. Get the hang of it now? Only IR verbs have a stem change in preterite at all when they also stem change in present tense. Then it's only going to happen in el, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes. The other forms are regular. And it's only going to be an E to an I or an O to a U. All right, depending on what that stem change was in present tense. All right, we're going to practice some sentences now. So once again, I want you to stop the video, write in what you can on your sentences. You're going to change, they're in present tense right now. I want you to change them to the preterite. You're not changing your subjects. You're keeping the subjects. You're just moving it from present tense to past tense to the preterite. Okay, go ahead and stop that video. And I'm going to continue. We are back. All right. Ana y Enrique piden unos refrescos fríos. So they ask for or order cold drinks, cold refreshments. I'm going to say they asked for or ordered. So Ana y Enrique pidieron unos refrescos fríos. The verb changed. Piden in present tense, pidieron in preterite tense. All right. Número dos. Mamá nos sirve arroz con frijoles y carne. So mom serves us rice and beans with meat. Okay? So instead of serves us, I want it to say mom served us. So mamá nos sirvió arroz con frijoles y carne. E to I, regular ending in preterite. She still served us. It's still mamá. She still served us. That's your nos, and the rest is still the same as well. All right. What about Tina y Linda duermen en un hotel de Lima? So Tina and Linda sleep in a hotel in Lima. All right. Now I'm changing it from sleep to slept. Still Tina and Linda. What should that be? Tina y Linda durmieron en un hotel de Lima. Okay, so they slept in the hotel instead of they sleep. All right, número 4. Las flores de mi tía mueren durante el otoño. So my aunt's flowers die during fall. Now I want to say they died during fall. Las flores de mi tía murieron durante el otoño. All right. Ustedes se sienten bien porque ayudan a las personas. All right. You all feel good because you help other people. Look, you've got two verbs to change into preterite. You've got feel and you've got help. Make sure they are both changed into preterite. All right? Should be, ustedes se sintieron bien porque ayudaron a las personas. All right, sentirse is an E to I stem changer in preterite. Sintieron with the ustedes. And then ayudar is it's an AR verb, so it can't be a stem changer. It is a regular AR verb in preterite. Ayudaron, they help, or y'all help. Okay? All right, that's good practice. Now I want you to download the preterite stem changer practice worksheet from the documents page of my blog. Complete that, submit it. I want to go over something on it with you real quick. Okay, this is what it looks like. The first 6, you've got 3 verbs. They're all IR verbs. They're all stem changing verbs in both present and preterite. It tells you you're going to choose the right verb, and then you're going to fill it in the preterite form. So look at número 1. Rosana y Héctor blank las palabras del profesor. All right, you need to know what the sentence means to know which verb to pick, and then you're going to conjugate it correctly in the preterite tense. Rosana y Héctor something the words from the professor. So did they repeat, sleep, or die the words from the professor? The only thing that's going to make sense is repeat. So there you got your verb. Which verb? Now you need to conjugate it correctly in the preterite tense for Rosana y Héctor. Okay, and that's what you're doing in the top section. You need to know what it means to know which verb to pick, and then you're going to conjugate that verb in the preterite. They're all IR verbs. They are all stem changing verbs. Based on the subject, do they need to stem change in the preterite? Okay, and fill that in. All right, and then on the bottom section, says your brother is very confused today. Correct his mistakes by rewriting each sentence, replacing the subject with the one given in parentheses. So they're already written in preterite for you. But now you're changing the subject. So instead of last night we felt happy, it's going to be last night my cousins felt happy. So you're going to change the subject, which changes the conjugation of the verb. And in this case, this one is reflexive, so you also need to change that reflexive pronoun. All right, go ahead and finish that. As always, ask me if you have any questions. Email me. Remember, my office hours are guaranteed to be 10 to 12, 10:30 to 12. Sorry. All right, adios.